Good morning, students. How are you? Hopefully, you are fine. Today, I will start the fourth unit, that is chemical bonding and molecular structure. This is the fourth unit of our syllabus. First, we know what is the bond or chemical bond. First, we discuss what is bond. Bond is a attraction force which hold together the constituent particle. The bond is a attraction force which hold together the constant particle. Constant particle may be present in atomic position or ionic position in a molecule. The second important question, why do atom combine or cause of bond formation? We know that in inert gas no bond formation takes place. You know inert gas like helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. In all inert gases the no bond formation takes place because due to stable configuration. The stable configuration in helium case, the outer electron number 2, this is called also duplet position. And in other cases of inert gases, the outer electron number is 8, this is called octet position. This is called octet position. Okay? So due to stable configuration or acquire the just like inert gas configuration, the atoms are combined to form molecule to acquire stable configuration in case of hydrogen atom, duplet position, and in other atoms the stable position is 8 electron in their outer electron shell. Okay. And third one is how do atoms combine? Atom कैसे combine हो सकते हैं? The atoms are combined mainly three ways. The first is by the electrovalent bond, electrovalent or ionic bond, which is formed by the transfer of electron, we discussed later. And second is bond by the sharing of electron, that bond is called covalent bond. And third type of bond is called coordinate bond or dative bond. First, before electrovalent or ionic bond, first we discuss the Lewis symbol or representation. The Lewis represent the any symbol by the valence electron over symbol. If the valence electron of any atom shows by the symbol, that structure or symbol is called Lewis symbol. For example, lithium. The valence electron of lithium is 1. So 1 dot over lithium symbol is represented called Lewis symbol of lithium. Similarly, in case of beryllium, beryllium contains 2 valence electron. So over beryllium symbol we represent 2 dots. Similarly, in case of boron, 3 valence electron, 3 dots. Similarly, in case of carbon, 4 valence electron, the 4 dots over symbol of carbon. Now we start the electrovalent or ionic bond. Electrovalent or ionic bond, this bond is formed by the transfer of electron. The one atom donate the electron and other atom gain the electron. The atom donate the electron which is converted into cation position, and other atom gain the electron converted into anion position. The cation positive charge ion and anion is negatively charged ion. Both are opposite charge, so they are interact to each other and bounded through ionic bond or electrovalent bond. For example, NaCl formation. NaCl formation, the sodium atomic number is 11, the electronic configuration is 281. outer electron number is 1, this is not stable. So after releasing one electron, it is converted into Na positive and a stable configuration 28. And Cl, the 17 atomic number, electronic configuration is 287. Outer electron number is not stable. By the gaining of one electron, it is converted into Cl negative and electronic configuration is 288. So this is also stable. Both are bonded through ionic bond or covalent ionic bond or electrovalent bond. In case of calcium fluoride, we take second example of ionic bond calcium fluoride. In calcium, atomic number is 20. The electronic configuration is 2882. Two outer electron number, this is not stable. Fluorine, the atomic number is 927. This is also not stable. By the releasing of calcium, 2 electron, 1 electron to 1 fluorine atom, it is converted into stable configuration 288 and plus 2 position. By the gain of 1 electron, fluorine converted into F negative and it is also converted into stable position. The positive and negative charge bonded through ionic bond. So by the bond formation, ionic bond formation, they are bounded to each other. Okay, thank you very much. I am Yogesh Jain, chemistry teacher. इसके बाद हम नेक्स्ट टॉपिक पर डिस्कस करेंगे.